Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone 17 and now I will show you how to turn on background app refresh. So start with opening the settings, then enroll general options, and here you will notice a background app refresh. Just enroll it and mark background app refresh again. And here you can either activate it under Wi-Fi only or under Wi-Fi and cellular data, however you prefer. I'll tap on both as I do prefer this option, and from now on it is active. It is super useful as it keeps your apps updated in the background, so content is always fresh when you open them. Truly useful, a truly recommended feature. Obviously you can also customize it and leave it for particular apps only. Just by unmarking you can turn it off for some apps, but I want to make it active for all of them. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.